Hey my friends, how's everybody doing today? Good to be back with you guys. As I promised you, I'll always be back. Every time. Hey, y'all remember on a video a while back, I forget which one, a lady had given me a bunch of cut-offs of a Magnolia tree. And they had brought them in, stacked them up on the dolly, and they sat there for a little while. And I finally got to put them away, and over the time I've been working on cleaning the bark off of some of them, exterminating them, putting them out in the sun, letting them dry, stacking them up, letting them air dry, and all that good stuff. And I was sitting around thinking what I could do with them, and it was a long day that day, and I came up with kind of a fishy idea. For lack of a better words, forgive me, and got to work on it. So I want to give you guys a look-see at it, and I have to let you know, a little disclaimer here, no fish were harmed in the making of this video. Although, with that said, one fish did learn how to dive. Hey my friends, here sits a chunk of Magnolia Tree that a nice lady gave me a while back with a bunch of bugs in it. What can we do? Alrighty my friends, time to seal it up a little bit. Today I'm using some Star Bond Thick. If I didn't tell you all, I love this glue, the extra tips they give you in cleaning caps. Great stuff. Okay, I got the lights wired up, and I wasn't able to show y'all all the bandsawing. If I showed you the full 30 hours of work there, that video would take a lifetime. But I was able to get quite a few more cut pieces out of the centers, which I'm going to be using for some other projects on another video here shortly. So I thought I'd let y'all know. Let's get back to work, my friends. See what we can get here. Alright my friends, what I've got here is some broken glass beads. I was going to start busting up and hammering up some glass, but I went ahead and bought it. keep me from doing all that work. Alright guys, we got to get a little more gravy here, also known as Total Boat Resin. Let me tell you guys, I do like this little pump. Appreciate that, Total Boat. Alright my friends, I have cook a little resin soup here. Sorry, I always forget to turn on the camera. Boneheads are us. I think I'm the leader of the pack. Alright guys, I had to stop there for a minute and fight off a couple of corner leaks. It happens, what can I say? Here we go guys. Here's the back of the fish tank. Now I've got to take the plastic and all that glue off. But first I'm going to be adding just a little more decor to the back of it. Why? I don't know. I just feel like it. Hey my friends, alright, time to cast the front. Hey my friends, I wanted to show you all this. I found a little bit of my work areas to be a little dark, so I got this light from Sansai. Real neat little LED light, adjustable in height and brightness. Really nice. I like it a lot. I'm gonna put y'all a link for it in the video. Video in the video. Friends, I dry sanded it up to I think 1200, and now I'm going to wet sand it up to 12,000 using the little micro mesh pads and my air sanders. Hey guys, what I've got here is some 2-inch scrap aluminum tubing. I don't know, it's about 3/16 inch thick, something like that. Hey guys, what I'm using here are some big old Q-tips. See if I can get this where y'all can see it. They're on a wooden stick. I get them at Harbor Freight Tools. They're dirt cheap. They're made for detailed cleaning and stuff. Full cotton tips. And what I'm doing, I'm mounting them into a drill so I can clean my ear real good, and using them as polishing pads. Hey guys, this is my little air pump I'm using for the tank. I got it at PetSmart, a little battery operated one. It runs on 2 D-cell batteries. There it goes. Off, on, off, on. Oh yeah. All right, there we go. You go, one Fishy fish tank. Came out kind of cute with the lights and the air bubbles. I think it came out real nice, actually, to be honest with you. The glass beads kind of did a nice reflection off the front, making it look like air bubbles in the glass or in the resin front, but they were just reflections off of the glass beads. The fish seem to enjoy it. They're happy there, although they're in the other tank at the moment. And let them take a break for a minute. They were working hard there for a little while for us. Sure hope y'all like that, guys. I had a lot of fun making it. Very unique project. A little mixture of woodwork and resin work and artwork combined and so on. I've ordered some little name plaques that I'm going to start putting on some things I make. I haven't gotten them yet. I wanted to show them to y'all, but they haven't come in just yet. So I'll show them to you on the next video. I'm working on a few more of them here, and a few more shop tips I want to put out, some little short videos that'll be coming out real soon. So again, guys, I hope you all like the fish tank. Y'all let me know, please. I would love to hear. And thank you, my friends. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, I would be honored. I truly would. It means a lot to me. Please hit the like button. That's greatly appreciated as always. And most importantly, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for taking the time. I appreciate it. I sincerely do. Y'all have a great day, y'all, and I'll be back in a little while. Bye now.